बिफोर आई बिगिन आई वांट टू आस्क यू ऑल, हम कुछ भी यूज़ करते हैं लाइक वेदर इट्स हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स और स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा पर्टिकुलर होते हैं हम क्या चीज़ कब यूज़ कर रहे हैं, कितने टाइम तक यूज़ कर रहे हैं, किस चीज़ के साथ क्या कॉम्बिनेशन होना चाहिए। एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट मैन एंड वुमेन, इट्स अबाउट एवरी वन। अगर हम वीमेन आज इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हैं इस चीज़ में, हम इतना ख्याल रखते हैं अपने हेयर केयर का एंड स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स का, देन मैन ऑल्सो डू. So let me tell you about my story. Let me talk about my hair care. So I use a particular product of brand. If I talk about my shampoo or conditioner, मैं same brand का shampoo and conditioner prefer करती हूँ. I don't jump कि मैं किसी भी brand का shampoo मैंने prefer करा और किसी भी brand का conditioner prefer करा. So this is my lockdown story experience. What happened was I use my pet Tresemme shampoo all the time. And before lockdown it was about to end, ये खत्म हो चुका है by the way, but I still kept it कि शायद as a memory. That's my story behind, so I don't want to let you go into it. So before lockdown what happened was I ordered a new range of variety. Wow का नाम आपने सुना होगा, wow के products का नाम आपने सुना होगा. I was hearing lot about wow shampoo, conditioner and products, so I ordered that on Nykaa. And the package got tracked up and वो मेरी लोकेशन पर आ गया था, बट वो मेरे पास डिलीवर नहीं हो पाया था. So then the lockdown began, and patiently I waited for that thing for about 1.5 months. But after that, जब zone decide हुआ and red zone, green zone, orange zone जब ये decide होना शुरू हुआ, and then Gurgaon came into the orange zone, and courier companies they begin giving off their products to their customers. Nykaa also begin, Nykaa ने भी शुरू कर दिया था अपने products customer को देना जब जो भी हम order करते हैं, and it's not about, it started for the essentials, and the products they were ordering, they were taking the orders from the essentials, so it includes the body wash, the hair care products, the shampoo, conditioner and many other things. Then soon non-essential products की भी packaging and courier services start हो गई. I was patiently waiting for my courier for my product to get delivered. क्या order करा था मैंने WOW का shampoo and conditioner order किया था. I was waiting for whole 1.5 months. मैंने wait करा. Then I started contacting Nykaa. मैंने उनकी हेल्प केयर सेंटर पे इशू डाला, उनकी और भी फेसबुक पे उनको कॉन्टैक्ट करा, उनको इंस्टाग्राम पे कॉन्टैक्ट करा, बट for some period of time I didn't got any answer from them, especially on their Nykaa app. Nykaa app से मुझे कोई support नहीं मिला था. Okay, then what happened was I contacted them on Facebook, and I was sending my tracking update, my status update and everything. The one thing I am very happy from Nykaa about the fact is they are very 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 good at replying and dealing with their customers. So the customer service ordered by Nykaa is undoubtedly very good, and kudos to you Nykaa for this thing. They were handling my query in a very 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 nice way, and all thanks to Nykaa. I was not expecting such a good customer service from a famous beauty product brand जो कि इतना ज़्यादा famous हो चुका है that they don't give values to the people कि if some customer is approaching them, and मेरा इतना कोई खास कॉस्टली प्रोडक्ट नहीं था जो मैंने ऑर्डर करा था. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर ऑल्सो मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया था, कैसे क्या हुआ देन. एंड दिस इज द मेन थिंग आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम Nykaa, द कस्टमर सर्विस दे ऑर्डर टू देयर कस्टमर. अगर आपकी वो रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, बट दैट fact and figures they are using to handle their customer and the way they are treating you is very nice. So kudos to you Nykaa. So let me quickly begin क्या कैसे कहानी क्या शुरू हुई थी. So as I told you, I'm a Tresemme fan, I'm a Tresemme lover, which I use as my hair care products. इसके खत्म होने के बाद ही मैंने Nykaa से ये WOW के शैम्पू कंडीशनर्स ऑर्डर करे थे. As you can see, these are very trendy, बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हैं ये सब. And this WOW shampoo conditioner is the apple cider vinegar shampoo. It's gentle and natural detox formula for stress stresses, and it's no parabens, no sulfur. Okay, so let me quickly show you. अब मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया था. I ordered this WOW Skin Science shampoo. As you can see, it's no parabens, no sulfates and no silicones. It's gentle and natural detox formula for stresses. So जो इतने सारे रिव्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, जो इतना पॉपुलर हो रहा है, ट्रेंडिंग में हो रहा है, आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई इट, इसलिए मैंने ये शैम्पू ऑर्डर किया था. अलॉन्ग विद दिस मैंने ये कंडीशनर ओपन करा था. एंड इट्स ऑर्गेनिक वर्जन कोकोनट ऑयल प्लस एवोकेडो ऑयल एंड इज सेफ फॉर कलर ट्रीटेड हेयर, एज यू कैन see in the bottle, in the packaging. So this is all I ordered from Nykaa and it's a very beautiful packaging जो मैंने इसकी unboxing already कर दी है. This is the box which I have been, इसमें दोनों ये bottles आई थी. It's beautifully packed. And along with this, I got some brochure from the Wow Skin Science, and they have care for men also. So if men's are looking around for some hair care products and some shampoo, body wash, they also have the men's ranges. So खुश हो जाओ आप लोग भी. It has oil, it has hand care cream, it has aloe vera gel, it has its own organic apple cider vinegar, and it has so many lovely products. Wow. So my experience is wow. And along with this, I got this card from the Wow Skin Sciences. I very much liked it, and it says if you are happy. Sorry, my camera is rounded, so yeah, कोटा दिखाई दे रहा है, but you can get it. It's not that difficult. So if you're happy, what you have to do is you have to do this, and if you're not happy, on the other side they have given their details. आप क्या नहीं कर सकते हो if you are not happy. So this is a pretty good card. So in not happy section they have their all customer service experiences which you can go and try it. So this was given by the Wow, and the one thing I was talking about the Nykaa, ये मेरे पास Nykaa का बॉक्स आया था, like जो Nykaa से ऑर्डर करते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट वेरी कन्वीनियंट ऑन दिस. बहुत अच्छी सी पैकेजिंग में आया था, ऑल सेफ एंड सिक्योर, एंड इसके ऊपर एक सेल्फ रैप था जो मैंने हटा दिया है. इट वाज फुली पैक्ड एंड उसके ऊपर लिखा था अर्जेंट विद अ बोल्ड ब्लैक मार्कर. So I'm so happy Nykaa that you have taken my query on consideration at priority basis और उसको urgently treat करके मुझे आज फाइनली डिलीवर करवा दिया. So thank you so much Nykaa for this. Thank you so much Wow Skin Sciences for your products, and you have such a wide variety of range of products. So I promise you I'm going to try one by one. And the small little funny thing about what I have been using, मुझे अपने ट्रेसमे का शैम्पू कंडीशनर नहीं मिला था मार्केट में अवेलेबल, एंड आई वांटेड दिस ओनली द रेड बॉटल वंस. दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर लोअर सरफेस फॉर्मूला एंड अप टू 100% स्मूथर एंड शाइनर हेयर, जो कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. मेरी धज्जियाँ उड़ चुकी हैं, बालों की आई नॉट एबल टू टेक केयर, दे हैव बिकम सो ड्राई, फ्रिजी एंड रफ. सो आई जस्ट होप दिस वाओ शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर दे विल शो ऑफ देयर miracles, and soon I will share my reviews and videos with you all. In middle of that, in middle of my Tresemme and Wow shampoo conditioner, what I have been using, Asnamat, I was using my Dove shampoo and conditioner के छोटे छोटे pouches. So since my hair is long, so मुझे ये दो पेयर की जरूरत पड़ती है. It has the shampoo and it has the conditioner. The Dove range of hair care products is also very good, but ये मुझे सूट नहीं करता है, especially this hair fall rescue one particularly. It does not suits me up, so I don't want to use it. I also tried this different packaging जो कि shampoo conditioner अलग अलग आते हैं. I was also trying this, but ये भी मुझे सूट नहीं करता. So I was just so desperately waiting for my hair care products कि Nykaa से आज finally got delivered. So all thanks to you Nykaa, all thanks to you Wow. And thank you for such lovely customer service experience. You are so promising to your customers. The way your customer service is dealing with us is so good. And जो आपकी backend team है, I'm just so thankful for them. Nykaa का Wow का products review हर कोई करता है, but I wanted to do the review of the customer care experience which I was facing through. And it's really nice, it's really amazing, really awesome. And one thing I would like to mention in this video is whenever you are facing any of such challenges, अगर आपको Nykaa की ऐप, जैसे मुझे कोई Nykaa की ऐप पे कस्टमर सपोर्ट नहीं मिला था, so I contacted them on the social media site, जो कि फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने उनको मैसेंजर में कॉन्टैक्ट करा था. तो what you have to do is आपको Nykaa का पेज पे जाना है, फेसबुक पे उनके मैसेंजर में जाने के उनको मैसेज करना है. यू हैव टू टेल योर क्वेरी एंड यू हैव टू टेल योर कंसर्न, एंड दे विल श्योरली गेट बैक टू यू. दैट्स माय पर्सनल प्रॉमिस टू यू. Trust me, and they will try to solve your query at earliest as possible with the best customer service experience. So this is all from my side today. I will try to use my shampoo and conditioner very soon for sure, and I am going to share my experience with you all. Till then, what you have to do is stay home, stay safe, stay secure, and stay healthy. And if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, and you can find me on Facebook, Instagram by the name of Shinies. Till then, stay safe, and I love you all.